discuss the proper position in dribbling and the proper position in shooting. So let's start first with dribbling. So have your position, your stance, bent, your hand low to dribble, and the other hand for defense. And make sure your eyes straight to the opponent or observing. Dribble, low, dribble. Now for shooting, again have your position, your dominant foot just slightly forward, bend over, using your dominant hand, grab the ball, and exert your force from the lower body to the upper. Use your dominant hand to push the ball and your other hand, this is your guiding hand, to guide the direction of the ball. So again, from here, from your lower body, grab the ball, then you exert it to your upper and shoot. And shoot. So now we will combine the two. Starting from low dribbling, bending, low dribbling, your eyes, the defense. Now we grab the ball, our dominant foot, grabbing the ball with our dominant hand, from lower body to upper, pushing it with our dominant hand and with our guiding hand. Upper. That's it.